Confidence isn't about speaking non-stop. It's about knowing when to pause. Welcome to 30 Days Public Speaking Skills. It's day 20. Remove filler words. You always replace and with calm pauses. Silence is more powerful than the fillers. Let's understand today's topic with few examples. Example 1. "Mm, I think uh, we should increase the budget." Now let's see improved version. "I think," here you have to pause. "We should increase the budget." Listen again. "I think we should increase the budget." The second sentence sounds calm, confident, and professional. Let's see one more example. So, today I'm going to talk about leadership. Now, let's see improved sentence. Today, here you have to pause. I'm going to talk about leadership. Today, I'm going to talk about leadership. The pause grabs attention instead of losing it. Your today's task is replace one filler word with a pause today. If needed, listen again until you understand very well. Then practice with confidence and follow for day 21st video for clear and calm speaking tip. Cheers.